And I'll tell you, this has a relation to our breath.
Okay.
And इससे पहले that viewers jump to this conclusion that I'll tell them to like do some very interesting breathing exercise. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'll in fact say that the smallest and the easiest way to deal with stress is to normalize your breath. To not over breathe. Generally जब हम लोगों को कहते हैं ना कि normalize your breath, वो ऐसे करने लग जाते हैं that you have to breathe more.
Okay.
Actually, if you see in our body, I mean, it's a myth that we need oxygen. We need oxygen, but there has to be a fine balance of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen in our body. You know, वो अगर balance नहीं है, then we are actually, the body goes through a lot of oxidative stress. Which happens. और stress में होता ही है that whenever we are stressed out, because it's a biological mechanism to take in more air, to take in more oxygen. So nowadays we are chronically over breathing.
Okay.
Which is very bad for our health.
Okay.
So the easiest thing that we need to do is that जब भी stress हो, or you can choose a time in the day when you learn to teach yourself to breathe normally in a relaxed manner, to slow down your breath. I mean, the emphasis should be on slowing down your breath. You know, that is very crucial, so that that balance of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen is restored in your body, and your racing mind will also begin to stabilize. You know. And another thing that people can try if they are like, if they are feeling, अक्सर लोग कहते हैं ना, my chest feels very tight, I am like, I'm hyperventilating.
Yeah.
So in such situations, when you are feeling a lot of stress in your body, you need to do a breath hold. आप थोड़ी देर के लिए just exhale and hold your breath for few seconds.
Okay.
Then you begin inhaling in a normal way. ऐसे नहीं करना कि you exhale, hold and then you go like this. No, just try to inhale very normally. So
it's about balancing.
हाँ, उसका मैं एक मुझे चीज़ याद है, like my yoga teacher who taught me yoga, he used to say कि जब breathing करते हुए सांस लेते हो, until unless you're doing some very specific क्रिया और प्राणायाम, वो practices बहुत अलग होती है, but he said कि जब breathing में सांस लेते हो, he said ऐसे सांस लो जैसे फूल को सूंघ रहे हो, कि जैसे उसकी महक ले रहे हो, तो आप कितने आराम से सांस लेते हो. He said ये ऐसे वो you don't have to like do this acrobatic breath. I don't know लोगों ने ये concept कहाँ से सीख लिया है. ये सांस को ऐसा कीजिए कि जैसे आप फूल को सूंघ रहे हैं, मतलब इतनी gentle, इतनी relaxed, इतनी normal होनी चाहिए.